Hello, Peter. Good afternoon.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Wow, I'm so tired and sleepy. Yes, but it's all right. I can have a rest later
You
after.
don't
Uh,
sleep in the afternoon?
oh, I didn't had a nap this afternoon. Yes. I had classes back
What
to back.
is that?
Huh?
What do you have in the afternoon?
I had classes, lots of classes, back to back classes. That's why I am so tired. It's gonna be okay if all my students are at your
Yeah,
level. Yeah,
yeah.
because you can speak. It's gonna be so easy to teach because you know English. But if it's gonna be zero level, it's hard. Yes. Okay, anyway.
Who is
Mhm.
uh, this student? You say burrow, but she say burrow.
Oh, yeah, she is 8 years old. She is beginner in English.
Beginner. What
Yes.
is?
Beginner. When we say beginner, she's just starting to learn English. Unlike you learned English before already. But with her, it's her first time to learn English. But she is smart and she is interested to learn. That's why I like teaching her. Even though that she couldn't get immediately, she is willing to learn. And that's one thing that I like about her. Yes. Okay. Did you take a shower, Peter?
Yes, I did.
Wow, that's nice. You look so fresh.
What do you
Okay.
know? What do
Huh?
you know? What do
Oh, of
you know?
course, because of your hair, it looks wet and your face looks fresh. Yes.
I I take a shower 1 hour ago.
Ah, okay. Well, that's really nice. Did you do anything this morning?
I go to school and learn how to make a robot of Lego to have a have cuộc thi have cuộc thi have
Uh-huh.
competition
Wow, did
competition.
you win?
Yeah,
Oh, congratulations. I'm proud of you. What is your prize?
rice.
Yeah, what prize did you get from winning?
Mm, Ready to go to the Singapore.
Wow, when are you going to the Singapore?
I don't know, but when I win, I go to the Singapore. But now I don't win. I don't go to the company now.
It's all right. No problem at
May-
all. Because there
What?
are more chances for you to go to Singapore. Yes. So
Company?
uh, just try and try again next time and do your best so that you
No,
will win.
I
Uh-huh.
don't. Today is the 3rd of July.
Mm-hmm.
The today. What is
23rd.
the day today? What is the day today?
Today is
20,
Tuesday, 23rd of July.
23rd. And when is 27th? I went to the competition.
Wow. So the competition hasn't started yet. So the
I
competition will be
will
this
go to the
Saturday.
competition.
Ah,
I don't
okay.
went
So
to the competition. I will
very
go to
good.
the competition.
Wow. Where is the competitions going to held? Where are they going to hold the competition? Is it in school?
difficult. Yes, it's so difficult.
I mean, where are they going to do the competition? At school?
No, at near city.
Near the city. Wow. Okay, do you know anyone who's joining the competition?
My teacher, my IT teacher, is teaching
Very,
to I, me and three friends
very good. So that
and
teachers of
two friends
yours who will join with the competition with you is what you call coach. You say coach.
and my friend coach.
Yes, so your coach and your friends. Very good. So I wish you good luck in your competition this
Teacher.
Saturday. Uh-huh.
Today, my grandmother go to my house and visit me and my mom and my dad
Oh, wow, that's really
and my
great. Yeah, I can
cousin.
see her. I can see her from
Yes,
the mirror.
this
Yes.
is my
Does
grandma.
your Oh, yes. Does your grandma knows how to
Yeah.
speak English?
Uh, no, he doesn't. No, she
She
doesn't.
does.
She
That's
doesn't
all
know how to
right.
speak English. And my
That's all
cousin
right.
don't know speak English too.
Oh, how old is your cousin?
My cousin is 9 years old.
What about you? You are 10?
10 years old.
Oh, yes. So yeah, your cousin can still learn English so that she will know. Okay. So anyway, Peter, today we are now in Unit 5. It's all about
This is my
animals.
cousin.
Hi. Yes. She looks so young. Of course, she is young. Okay. So, Peter, let's
She
look at
younger
Unit
than me
5.
1 years old.
Yes, 1 year old. Very good. Okay, now look, we have Unit 5 in here. It's all about animals. What's your favorite animal, Peter?
My favorite animal is lion and eagle.
Wow, very nice. That's so interesting. Now let's
Lion,
learn the words in
eagle,
here.
lion,
Listen
eagle.
and repeat.
Kangaroo,
Kangaroo,
Very good.
rat,
rat,
crocodile,
crocodile,
Nice.
dolphin,
Dolphin.
Great
dolphin.
job. Now we have kangaroo, bat, crocodile, and dolphin. Make a guess. Which animal in here lives in the ocean?
Then the dolphin is living in the ocean.
That's right. The dolphin lives in the ocean. Now, where do crocodiles live, Peter?
The crocodile live in the river.
Yes, or sometimes they live on the lake and they could also be on the land. Okay, what about a kangaroo? Where can we see a kangaroo?
We can see kangaroo in a cholan.
What's that?
A cholan, a
What is a
country.
cholin? Ah, okay,
A
in another
cholan.
country. Yeah, in Africa
Do
they
you
have
know this
kangaroo.
country?
Oh, you mean Australia?
Yes.
Yes, of course. In Australia, there are kangaroos. Okay, they live in a grassland. They hop and hop to get their food. Okay, what do kangaroos eat?
Um, I think the kangaroo eat grass. I
Yes,
don't
they eat grass. I think so.
know.
Okay, now look at this one. We have a bat. The bat is very small and they live in a cave. They like to be in the dark. Do you like a bat?
No, I don't.
Yeah. Why not?
Because it's dirty.
Yes, it's
Teacher, what
dirty,
is
it's
sleep?
ugly.
Is turn his body.
What's that?
His sleep. Is sleep like it.
Oh, yes, that's how the bat sleeps. Very good. Yeah, they would flip down, like turn their head on the floor like that. Very good. And of course, the bat is very creepy. Yes.
Creepy.
Okay,
What
now
is
let's,
creepy?
when we say creepy, that looks so scary and ugly. Just like the monster, they are creepy. Yes.
It
Okay, now look. Uh-huh.
is star when witch.
Yes, the story of the witch. Do you like the witch in the story?
No, I didn't.
No, you don't. Great. Okay. Now, Peter, look, listen, and repeat.
Goat.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Very good.
Penguin.
Nice.
Teacher, I have a cute penguin.
Wow, you have a cute pink penguin. Okay, who gave it to you?
My teacher.
Oh,
I
that's so sweet of her.
This is my penguin.
Oh, yes. It looks so cute. What's the name of your penguin? Did you give
I
that
don't know.
penguin a name? Oh, it's all right. Okay. Now, look at the animals in here. Where do goats and zebras live? Or what do they
The
eat?
zebra. The zebra live. The zebra live in a wood.
In the grassland. When we say grassland, it is an area that is covered with grass. Okay, what about
And
the goat? Where does it live?
it live in a farm.
That's right. Have you got a farm, Peter?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, what animals are there in your farm?
No, I don't go to the farming. I don't go to the farm.
Ah,
Sorry.
okay, that's all right, Peter. Now, look at this one, Peter. Okay, where can we see this animal?
Mm, mm, this is jellyfish.
That is right. So where do we see the jellyfish? Is it in the river? In the
We see the jellyfish in the beach. I see a
Yes, in
jellyfish in the beach. I
yes,
cut
you
it and I put it in my house.
Oh yes, but you have to be
But
very
it's
careful with
die.
the jellyfish. Yeah, because the jellyfish, especially like this one, it would sting you and it hurts so much.
No, my jellyfish when I cut is like it.
Ah, so still small, not an old jellyfish. All
Mm,
right.
like it.
Yes. Okay, now
I
you
cut
have
I
uh-huh.
cut it and put it in my house. What is um only living in the sea? It don't live in my house.
Hmm. Yes. Okay, yeah. So next time, don't get any jellyfish from the sea anymore because they will die if you put them in your house. Because the jellyfish can only survive in the ocean. Okay, what about the
I put it
penguins?
in a cup.
Yes. Okay, so next time
Put it in
let's
a
not
cup.
put the jellyfish in a cup anymore. You can play with it, but don't bring it to your house. Okay, because they will die, right? Okay. Now, Peter, what about a penguin? Where do penguins live?
The penguin live in the Iceland.
That's right. Okay, and of course, they live in Antarctica, especially in the South Pole. Okay, what other animals live in Antarctica? Antarctica is the place or the continent in the world that's very cold. Okay, there's another animal that live in Antarctica. Do you know what that is?
Yes, a polar bear.
That's right, a polar bear. Do you like a polar bear?
Yes, I like.
Great. So if the penguin lives in the South
Uh,
Pole,
who is
the polar...
saying no? I
Oh,
listen to say no.
it is the baby of my sister. He's uh, he's watching you having a class. Yes, and sometimes
Where
he
is he?
couldn't. Do you want to see
Yes.
him? He's raising his hand. Actually, he understands English and he can speak English so well too. You can try to speak.
Hello?
Hello.
How are you?
You. Huh?
How are you?
Mm. Mm.
What
You say
your
bye bye
name?
na. Bye bye.
Goodbye. See you
Yeah,
next
that's the
time.
sis. Yeah, that's the sister of my. That's the that's the baby of my sister. All right, and he
How old
also
is
wants.
he?
Oh, he is only 3 years old. Yes, he is 3 years old, and he wants to give you something. Yeah, that's why he keeps on bothering me. Yes, but anyway, sorry for that
He
one.
is very cute.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Okay, and he's interested in our class because we are learning animals and he knows so much about animals.
Huh.
Yes. Okay, so let's look at this penguin. So if the penguin lives in the South Pole, the polar bear lives in the North Pole, and they both eat fish. Yes. Okay. Now look at the animals in here. Listen and repeat. Butterfly,
Butterfly.
camel,
Camel. Dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Octopus.
Octopus.
very good. Okay, what kind of animal is the butterfly? Is it a mammal, amphibian, reptile, insect, or...
Insect. Insect.
Yes, it is an
I
insect.
don't know
What?
what
Uh-huh.
you speak, but I listen to insect and
Ah, let's look at
insect.
this one so that you will know. We have mammals.
Mm-hmm.
Mammals are animals that eat meat. Okay, what are those animals that eat meat? We have
Lion.
dog,
Tiger.
lion, very good. Cat, lion, tiger, and polar bear. They are all
So
mammals.
many.
That's right. We also have reptiles. What are the animals that are reptiles? Okay,
Reptile is
reptiles.
the animal eat grass and dog is meat.
Yes, kinda. We have turtle. What
Mm.
else? Crocodile
Crocodile is
and
meat.
lizard. Okay, turtle, crocodile, and lizard, they are all reptiles.
I know because they can live on in a water and on a
On
land.
land. That's right. The crocodiles live on land too. Okay, then we also have amphibians. Most of the amphibians live in the water, just like dolphins. What else? Sharks. They are amphibians. Great. Okay, a penguin. I think a penguin is considered a bird that cannot fly. That is a bird. A penguin is a bird
Why
that
is that
cannot fly.
penguin?
Yes. Okay. Now, look at this one. Do you know how a butterfly grows?
Yes, I
Wow.
know.
Okay.
Watch me.
Now, sure.
No. This. I have
Oh,
this
very good. Oh, nice. Okay. By
from
looking at
my
that,
book.
very good. By looking at that, I want you to tell me how a butterfly grows, the life cycle of a butterfly. Can you tell me in English?
I don't know. Teacher, this is
Uh-huh.
my science book.
Science book. Very good. Okay, I know you know the life cycle of a butterfly. Now let's look at this one and let's explain it in
And
English.
also frog.
Frog. Yes. Nice. So look, let's start with the butterfly. We have the butterfly. It starts from an egg. Okay, until, okay, a caterpillar comes out of it. A caterpillar cannot fly because it's just eat and eat. It is always hungry. It eats leaves until they become bigger and bigger. They would build a cocoon. Okay, so a
Yeah, I
cocoon,
know that.
this is what a caterpillar will make. Then until the
This
cocoon
come on.
is enough for them to build, a butterfly will come out. And now they can fly. Okay, that's the life cycle of the butterfly. Can a butterfly, oh, can a caterpillar fly, Peter? Yes or no? Can a
No,
caterpillar fly?
no,
No,
no.
very good. Only the
It's
butterfly. Okay.
skin. Trả lời với cô nè.
Yes. Can the penguin
Teacher,
fly?
teacher,
Uh-huh.
teacher. No, đưa do sister baby there.
He's
She
not
is
here
okay.
anymore. He's not here anymore. He's in the
I
living
give
room.
it
Why?
this.
Oh, I will tell him later once he comes back. Yeah, he only comes around when he would hear some words that he likes, just like dinosaur. He came back earlier. He heard about penguins. So he came back because he just want to see the picture of it. Oh, but thank you, Peter. That's so
Teacher, talk
sweet
to
of
him.
you. Yeah,
Can you talk to him?
do you want him to come over? Okay, hold
Okay.
on.
Now, what is his name?
Oh, his name's Mat Mat.
Mat Mat.
Faster, faster.
I give this for you.
Yeah. What will you say?
Thank you. I like dinosaurs. I don't have dinosaur. I only have penguin.
Ina, do you have Lego?
Do you have Legos? Yes, I have.
Ayaw kasi pa.
Robot.
He plays yet Legos. Look at that. He's into robots, Legos.
Do you have I Lego? Got so many teddy bears. Teddy bear? Okay.
Yes, I got too many of them.
You have many teddy bear?
Yes.
How many teddy bear do you have?
Hmm.
I think he can't see
Two?
your face. He can see your hand. Just show your hand.
3 toys.
3. Is that 3?
It's only a lot of them.
You so cute.
You ask, what's your name?
I'm not Azul Ocampo.
No, you ask him, what's his name?
What's your name?
My name is Peter. What's your name?
Mat Azul Ocampo.
Okay, so you say bye-bye na.
Ocampo.
Nice to meet you, Peter.
Bye-bye. Nice to meet you, Peter.
Nice to
Yeah.
meet you, Mat.
Okay, so that's it for Matmat.
Mat.
What did you? Yeah, Matmat. Actually, his real name is Mat Azril. But for Filipinos, we have our nickname. Just like me, I have a nickname at home. Yes. Okay, what were you talking about, Peter?
Okay.
You were talking about your toy?
My cousin take away my toy.
Ah, yes, because he wants you to learn. Okay, now let's continue to learn. Now we have in here dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are already extinct. And we don't have dinosaurs at this moment anymore because they all died hundreds or thousands of years ago. And we have an octopus. An octopus lives in the ocean. Have you ever seen a real octopus, Peter?
No. The
No.
butterfly.
Oh, yes, just the butterfly. Me too. I only seen the butterfly. Oh, I forgot about
Teacher.
the camel.
Teacher.
Uh-huh.
Teacher, listen. Am I ugly girl? I am an ugly girl.
I am an ugly girl.
Why would you do that, Peter? Don't do that to
She
your
don't know.
cousin. Yeah, she's very innocent to that. Why would you say? Okay, anyway, you try to tell her what it means. Oh, Peter, who knows how to speak English in your house? Hey, okay. So who knows how to speak English in your house? Is it only you?
And my mom.
Oh, just your mom and you. Wow. You're making fun of your cousin. Anyway, don't do that anymore. Okay. Uh-huh. Yes.
No.
Now, look at the camel, Peter. So where do camels live?
Camel live in land. In a land.
Yes, on land and in the desert. A desert is a very hot place. When we go to the desert, people are lazy to walk, so they would ride the camel instead. And the camel is one of their transportation to go to the desert. Yes, especially if we go to the Middle East country. Yes, there are many camels in their desert there. Okay.
You
Now look,
are an
listen.
ugly girl.
No, don't do that. If Matmat would hear that, then he would say, "Hey, don't do that. You're making fun of her." Yes. And Matmat understands that one. Okay, encourage your cousin to learn English so that she will know. Yes.
She don't know English.
Yes, then it's time for her to learn English. Oh, wow. Matmat showing you his pony, his crocodile,
Dinosaur.
a dinosaur. I'm sorry. What's the name of this dinosaur, Matmat?
Triceratops.
Oh, that's the name of the dinosaur, Triceratops. Okay.
Triceratops.
Yeah. So anyway, Peter,
You are
thank you
great.
so much. Yes. Okay, thank you so much for joining. You're very talkative. So does Mat. Okay, so thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.
Goodbye, Mama.
Bye, Peter.
Goodbye, teacher.